Welcome to your first mock PI.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I'll introduce you to the panel.
Okay.
So firstly, we have Vishal sir. He's the director of Pehel organization as well as the management expert. Also, we have Raja sir, who is having 24 plus years of experience in the industry, and he's also an alumni of textile designer and women empowerment. Also, he's an alumni of NIF Delhi. Also, we have Vijay sir, who is the regional head of Pehel Uttarakhand centers and a design mentor.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Nidhi. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm feeling good. Happy that I cleared the first round and excited to give my mock now.
Yes, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. So, Nidhi, introduce yourself.
I am Nidhi Chadha and I hail from the capital of India, New Delhi, which is not only famous for monuments, food, and metro, but also for jam-packed traffic and pollution. I have completed my schooling from St. Thomas's and pursued my bachelor's in commerce from Delhi University. My interests include indulging in makeup tutorials, watching movies, swimming, driving, and cooking. I belong to a nuclear family in which my father is a businessman who is an optician, my mother is a homemaker, and my elder sister is working in Reliance Retail as an assistant manager.
Okay. Okay.
As far
Great,
yeah.
Nidhi. Great. Okay, Nidhi. So, what is your favorite food?
Pasta.
Oh, pasta. So, it is specialty of Delhi?
No.
Okay. That's great. So, Nidhi.
It's an Italian food, so Italy only.
Okay. Great. Okay, Nidhi. So, you are aspiring to do MFM, right? Okay. So, can you just highlight three of the aspects that you want to learn in MFM? Just 3 points.
I want to learn the management side of the fashion industry. I want to learn teamwork and leadership.
Okay. So, Nidhi, but what I feel is that to learn the management, as you said, and leadership, so you could even apply for MBA also. Then why MFM?
Yes, totally. I agree to what you're saying, sir. But MBA, though, has career options like finance, marketing, HR, and operations, but fashion is something which is not included in the curriculum and which I am keen to learn. I want to learn the management side of the fashion industry.
Okay, but don't you agree that whatever the product may be, but the management aspect of every of the product remain the same?
So management is all about selling also, and it is the back-end process of the fashion industry also. I am keen in the business side and I want to understand how brands operate and how I have an inclination towards how brands operate and how they survive in the tough Indian market. I want to know the branding process of the products.
Okay, that's great. So what you aspire to do after completing your masters?
In the long run, I envision myself working as a fruitful merchandiser in a reputed e-commerce company.
Okay. So what do you understand by merchandising?
Merchandising is all about importing and exporting the sale of the goods, promoting the sale of the goods.
Okay. And how do you differentiate merchandise with merchandising?
Merchandise is a product and merchandising is when you do the processing part.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So what was your favorite subject in your graduation?
It was marketing.
Oh, marketing. Okay. So define marketing and tell me the marketing mix.
Marketing mix is a product, price, place, and promotion. They are also called as the 4 P's of marketing. And to define marketing, I would say getting potential customers interested in your product.
Okay, so how do you differ sales with marketing?
Marketing means influencing customers to be interested in your product. First, you have to get them interested in the product. That is what marketing is all about. And selling means selling the product as far as the marketing techniques are concerned.
Okay. And what about branding?
Branding means any term which is used to differentiate from the competitors and which the customers can easily identify. For example, Nike, we have Puma, Reebok, and all that.
Okay. So you are from a marketing background. Then why are you not planning to do marketing and retail in MFM?
Yeah, that's what I want to learn. This is the deepening specialization which I want to pursue.
Okay. And what about the minor? Which minor are you planning to opt for?
Fashion merchandising only.
Okay, fashion merchandising. Okay. So, Nidhi, just to understand from you, can you tell me the top two fashion brands according to you?
and and Global DC.
Pardon, I couldn't hear what you said.
And Global DC.
Okay, great. Okay. So you are born and brought up in Delhi?
Yeah,
Okay. Which part of Delhi are you from?
West Delhi.
West Delhi. Suppose you are selected for MFM, but your ranking doesn't allow you Delhi as a campus, and you have to choose any other campus, which may be Kannur or maybe say Bhopal or maybe Hyderabad or Bangalore. So, which one would you choose and why?
So born and brought up in Delhi, my top three uh, preferences would be Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. I know
Mhm.
I am deserving enough to be in the top three. And
Mhm.
these cities have a number of brands and export import houses. But
Mhm.
if I do not get the desired campuses, I will not get disheartened because NIFT has a centralized system. And NIFT is all that matters, not the campus.
Okay, that's great. Okay, thank you, Nidhi. That was from my side. So, Raja sir,
Thank you.
I pass it to you.
Okay, I don't have many questions, but I have just one question.
Yeah.
If as you are a management student, do you think that doing fashion management and or a person who is doing fashion management from NIF and doing management student from a reputed management college would not be able to handle the marketing and merchandising part of this line?
Yes, definitely agree to what I said, sir. But the thing is, NIFT has a central, NIFT is a dream come true for every fashion student. And I believe in fashion only.
So you are a fashion student or a management student?
I am a management student, but I want to learn the fashion side of the management now.
Okay, so now you just let me know who would be able to do justice much more. A person who has come, for example, Symbiosis or XLRI or Hyderabad Business School or IIM and an NIFT guy. Because what I feel is that there are a lot of MBA people who actually change their careers from different specific parts. I'm just taking one of the leaves, one of the parts of Mr. Vijay that he has asked you. Okay, it is one of the questions that I'm asking. So these people, the concept of management is all the same. So, but the products are different. So, do you think that that person would not be able to handle fashion management much better than a fashion management student from NIFT?
So I believe that you just need to have the qualities and you just need to have the passion to learn. If you're self motivated, if you're hardworking, then I think college does not matter. You need to have the qualities to acquire them and to learn the skills.
So I just wanted to, where do we stand as management student, fashion management student, and a student who is coming from those kind of reputed, because NIFT is also a reputed national, is a kind of icon people look out for. So obviously, and there are also reputed fashion management schools who are also, which are also one of the reputed colleges in India, top 10 or top 15. So where do we stand as a fashion management student and a person who has done management from that colleges who would be competing with you? Where do you stand?
Sir, I want the best and I do not settle for less. So I believe I want NIFT only.
Okay, fine, fine. I mean, just fine. Vishal.
Hi Nidhi, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm great. Yeah, thank you. Do you have any idea about this textile industry? Like how this is in India? Like, what is the status of it?
It is one second largest textile industry in India, and we have been importing cotton and jute and all that, and it provides employment to both skilled and unskilled labor. I am also aware of the textile initiative which the government has done, for example, Silk Samagra and Samarth.
Okay, great. So, like, what are the opportunity that we have in India for textile industry? Can you just idea about it?
Yeah, we can do
Mm,
export merchandising, fashion
mm,
merchandising, retail
mm,
planning,
mm,
brand manager, area
mhm.
manager, category manager, all that.
I think we can make it more organized. You want to say that?
Sorry.
You want to say that we can make it more organized,
Yeah,
this textile industry.
yeah.
Okay, what is the like contribution of textile in GDP of India?
2%, I think.
Okay, do you have any idea that what the designer like? Do you how many people? What is the percentage of people are those are wearing designer clothes in India? Any idea about, or in world?
In
What is
India,
that
I would
percent?
say, since we are a middle class
Mm, mm.
people, so around 20 to 25%.
That is percent that they are wearing designers clothes.
Yeah,
Okay, and in world you are talking about.
30 to 40%.
Okay, okay, great. So there are multiple malls in I think Delhi. So like, have you been to I think many of the malls? I think,
Yes,
what are the
I
malls
have
that
been.
have? Can you name those malls that you have visited in Delhi?
Yeah, I have visited Promenade Mall
Mm,
and
mm,
Pacific Mall, Vegas Mall, and
mm,
Emporio Armani.
Okay,
That's
great.
it.
That's in Vasant Kunj. I think you have.
Right, right.
So, like, what are the differences that you see in different malls with the brands and with the all the rest of the things? What are the differences that you see?
If I talk about the luxury mall, which is the Emporio one,
Mm,
it has the highest fashion brands only. We have LV, Gucci, Prada, and
mm,
Hermes, and there mostly the rich and the affluent come. Whereas in the Promenade Mall, there are middle class, upper middle class, and lower middle class, and we have stores like and Global Desi, H&M, Zara, which is suitable for middle groups.
okay. Okay, fine, Nidhi, I'm done from my side. Vijay sir, you can give a feedback to her
Yes,
about.
sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Okay. Nidhi, first I'll highlight what good you have done. Uh, I'll congratulate for the confidence that you have when you communicate. That is one of the very good strength you do have.
Thank you, sir.
Your body language also gives a lot of confidence. Okay, and the way you are speaking is altogether a very positive aspect. But we need to understand these are the initial signs which an interviewer will look for a candidate. Okay, but moving ahead, you need to be more content oriented. Okay, content oriented in terms of the subject that you have studied. Okay, there was no updations of what you have done. Just try to go through the basic, I'll say go through the summarize of what you have done in graduation in terms of at least your favorite subject. Okay, go through the terms and terminology. That will give you a lot of confidence. Not necessarily it may be asked, but yes, because there are not many things to ask per se in MFM during an interaction. So we love to have an understanding of your inclination towards subject, what kind of background you had, and what are the kind of connection you are looking moving to MFM. Because when there was a broader aspect of question asked which says that you can go to any normal MBA, then why only fashion management?
Yeah.
Then you try to put a answer saying so that you are interested in only fashion. Okay, then another question that came up was, then how do you think that management of a fashion products as compared to the other products necessitates MFM as a specialization course? Okay, so herein you miss the link. Okay, wherein you could have connect your marketing understanding in going forward, the opportunity that you are seeking. Okay, as you said here, you want to go into merchandising, so you could have connected the subject that you want to take in the masters to retailing and merchandising, and what are the aspects that you want to learn into that will take you to the your job that you are looking forward for. If I'm not wrong, you somewhere try to connect it, I think, your vision towards entrepreneurship also. Is it so? You said that you want to have some of your own.
I don't think
No.
so.
नो आई डोंट थिंक सो.
No.
ठीक है, तो अगर आप जॉब ओरिएंटेड कोर्स कर रहे हो तो आपको जॉब स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रोफाइल यू आर लुकिंग फॉर. Okay, we are very much clear on that. There should be a student who would be interested in the subject. Of course, many of the students maybe by default seeing MFM as a lucrative course and NIFT as a brand. And one more thing, I'll just ask you to avoid always saying NIFT as a very reputed or a very good brand. Okay, it's understood, but I think that will not help your cause. Okay, it just shows a kind of eagerness just to join NIFT because it is reputed, rather than going to learn something into fashion management. Okay, and again, there was one aspect wherein you are asked to choose the campus that you would love to go. So you just hear the question, because the question I put in was that you are not at all given an opportunity to study in NIFT Delhi. Your rank doesn't allow that. And then there are 3 preferences given to you. So which one would you choose? Okay, but you generalize the question answer and saying that you definitely will get Delhi. Okay, that is one of the thing. But see the question that has been asked. Okay, so you could have named any city and never bring the reputation again, saying that NIFT is a very reputed and per se all those kind of aspect. You can add on some of the convenience factors in pursuing that course in that particular city. Maybe say Bangalore, maybe your relatives stay there, so you could save on some money on the hostel fees. Or maybe you're looking for some kind of job, some kind of prominent brand which have an opportunity in Bangalore only. Okay, or maybe other convenient factor, rather than saying ki you're looking for only one campus. So you should be open for the campus per se. Okay, taking consideration into convenience factors altogether, right? Again, have a thorough understanding of the course structure of MFM, what it is. And one thing very wrong definition you gave was of merchandising. Okay, wherein you try to correlate merchandising into export and import business. Okay, so if you don't know answer of any question, acknowledge it. Okay, I'm really sorry, sorry, sir, I'm not able to recollect the definition. So it's better to acknowledge rather than to give the wrong answer. Okay. So otherwise, your body language communication, I find it good. Just keep your camera in such a way that at least your body posture, the examiner can see your body posture properly. Just keep the angle camera in a proper way. So आप practice करोगे, तो by the time of interview, that will give a good impression.
Okay.
Right. So that is from my side. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Vijay has already given you the feedback on the questions that I have asked. The choice between a management field that people come out from and with NIFT management, fashion management student. So obviously, Vijay has already given and cleared the doubt for that. Okay. Further, I don't have, everything is fine. And you need to be very specific and much more realistic on your terms and all that. Okay. And be clear about your career, what you wanted to do and all that. Okay. And I think you have done quite a bit, very good. Okay. With a few improvements that Vijay and Mr. Vishal would be giving you and all that. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. The way, the Vijay sir and the Raja sir, they have given you feedback. You're a very confident girl, and the way you have answered it, those I think really like the way you have answered. You were like, I am able to understand what you're trying to say. That is one of the best thing, because generally student, they just lost with their ideas. So ideas were clear, where I was able to understand what you're trying to say. And when I ask you question about the textile and all, so those questions, the way you answer, the initiative government has taken, those are the name of the thing, that was also a very somewhere convincing. So yes, Now learn the few things I'd like to suggest you that you need to understand and how that's BCom and how the MFM, how these two are different, because you're coming from BCom. You cannot say I'm coming from marketing. Marketing was one of your favorite subjects that you said, but you cannot ignore that BCom is not all about marketing. Marketing has a very few significance into this BCom syllabus. So you need to understand how this BCom will be helpful for you in MFM course. Fine. You always have to understand this. You also learn about MDes or MFTech. What are these courses all about? Then you will be able to define it more nicely to MFM. BCom, then this, and you also have to find out your favorite subject. Not only marketing, you need to talk about some account subject also, because BCom is all about, as I said, you cannot skip, I love marketing. So why didn't you go for BBA or something? Fine. There are few things you need to work on. Otherwise, I found you good. And also learn about this industry and the brand, the way you have answered about the different brand, the name you have taken. It shows that you know about this industry, but come with some facts and figures also. You said 20%, which was not correct at all. It is, if you talk about worldwide, then designer clothes are being used. I think that is almost 6 or 7%. If I talk about the worldwide, if I talk about India, then it is somewhere 1.5 to 2%. Fine. So you need to know the facts and figures. What is this industry is all about? Fine.
Okay.
Rest is good. These are the knowledge thing that you can do. Rest I found you good, and you are at least confident. That is the one thing I like you about most. So that's it from my end, Nidhi. And all the best. What's your PI date?
Thank you, sir.
What's your
Sorry,
PI date?
it's 29th.
PI. Okay, you have time to just work on these parts. Otherwise, you are good. All the best, Nidhi, and do
Thank
your
you so
best.
much,
Fine.
Good luck, Nidhi.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay.
Nidhi. We'll get back to you with the second session of mock PI. Okay, you can
Okay.
leave the meeting for now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, most welcome.